Hi there, students. To buy into something. Okay, if you buy into something, you completely believe a set of ideas. So, I really bought into the way the teacher was telling us to learn the language. Okay, so this has the idea of to believe it, to accept as true. I don't buy into all the mumbo jumbo that he gives us about this being caused by the spirits of the deceased. Okay, so to believe. Very often this buy into is used in a disapproving way. Yeah, how can you buy into the fact that what people say, that by voting you get to express your opinion? Yeah, I don't think this is true, and I don't think people should buy into this. I think most of us buy into the idea that we need to go to school, grow up, get a good job, get married and have children. Okay, this is buying into what society tells us is true. Okay, very often people buy into stereotypes. Don't buy into the stereotype of the British businessman. Okay, so to buy into something, to believe that it is true. Let's see. I don't buy what he's saying. You can use buy in the same way. I don't buy into what he's saying. Notice you can buy into a company. You can buy into a business. To buy stocks or to buy shares in a business. So I bought into the company. To make a financial investment. My brother-in-law asked me to buy into his latest scheme. Okay, so this here, you are buying a membership or a share or an interest in something. Let's see, I would love to buy into this business, but it's something that I can't afford. Yeah, I bought into a risky investment, and then from there we go to the idea of believing something, to believe it wholeheartedly and uncritically. Generally, I don't buy into anything that politicians are saying, because I don't think they really believe most of what they said. There's a nice example here of a headline from the Telegraph. Why does the world buy into Tony Blair? So why do they believe what he's saying? Why do they think that he's right? So to buy into somebody's story. So do you buy into the story that he's giving, that he's completely innocent of any crime? Okay, they bought into all this, into these new age ideas. Okay, they believed them completely. To accept something on faith, to buy into an idea or a plan, you give it your support, you agree with it. When you send your children to a school, you're expected to buy into the school's philosophy. Yeah. Okay. If for a brand to be successful, it needs people to buy into it, to support it, to feel that it is a good thing, it's a right thing. So notice as well, to buy into something. Okay, let's see, you can use buy on its own. I don't buy what he's saying. I don't buy into what he's saying. It's got the idea of you're not investing in it. I don't want to invest my time or brain power as opposed to money. So formality, to buy into something. I think I'm definitely going to give it a 4.5 in formality. Using formally, using the semi-formal conversation, using the semi-formal writing. Maybe in something very formal, probably don't use it. I think believe, accept, or something like that. And then, yeah, you are buying into it. It's like you're investing part of yourself into it. And that's the origin. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To buy into something.